Hey guys, it's time to do unbox new phone from Oppo A9 2020 and Oppo A5 2020. And Oppo A9 2020 is costing around 46,000 PKR in Pakistan market, while the Oppo A5 2020 is costing around 35,000 PKR. Both phones is officially launched in Pakistan, and Oppo A5 2020 is comes with a 6GB RAM with a 128GB internal storage, while the A9 2020 on the other hand comes with a 8GB RAM with a 128GB internal storage. On the back is having some more specs, and both phones comes with a quad cameras on the back and 5000 mAh battery size and Snapdragon 665 processor, and game boost 2.0 is also available on both phones, and dual speakers with the Dolby Atmos enhancing your gaming experience. And the color I have is the dazzling white with the Oppo A5 2020 versus a marine green with the A9 2020. So let's quickly open this box and let's see what is Oppo has you offer in this price range. And open this box, and the first thing you can see, it is a always mini box which contain, let's see what is inside the box, and a SIM ejection tool, quick start guide, and a silicone case. And it is a soft silicone case that Oppo has you give with the A9 2020. Let's see the A5 2020, and same accessories as the A9 2020. Here's the actual phones A9 and A5 2020. Let's out the phone from this box, and you can see, and both phones is wrapped in this plastic. Let's put the side here and look inside the box. And first thing you can see we have is this charger that support 5V with 2A charger. It is not a fast charger, and it's a cable, and nice to see it is a USB type C cable with the A5. Let's see A9, and same USB type C cable as the A5, USB type C, not micro USB, and same headphones with these phones, and you can see with the headphone jack. So let's put all the stuff to the side and look at the phone. And here is the Oppo A9 2020 and Oppo A5 2020. Let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see it's a marine green color which give you a blue and green effect. And Oppo A5 2020 comes with a dazzling white color, and you can see which give you a rainbow effect. In my opinion, Oppo A5 2020 is much beautiful than the A9 2020. And we have on the back is having a quad cameras with the fingerprint scanner and Oppo branding. So let's quickly show you the physical overview. On the bottom is having a headphone jack, microphone, USB type C port, and a speaker. And on the right is having a only power key. On the top is having a nothing, and on the left is having a SIM tray with volume up and volume down rocker. And you can use 2 SIM card and 1 micro SD card at the same time on the A9 2020. Let's see the A5 2020 in this dazzling white color, and you can see same, you can use 2 SIM card and 1 micro SD card at the same time. On the back is having a 4 cameras with a 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Last is having a 2 megapixel for macro lens, while the A5 2020 is comes with 12 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, and other that all specification is same. And a fingerprint scanner, LED flash, and the Oppo branding. And back is completely made up of plastic as well as the sides. So let's quickly boot these phones, and it is not a speed test, but let's see. And 6.5 inch 720p IPS LCD display on both phones, and about 16 megapixel camera on the A9 2020 versus the 8 megapixel, which is very bad in this price range for the A5 2020. And both phones comes with a fingerprint scanner as well as a face ID. So let's set up the fingerprint scanner and show you the setup speed. And done with the pin, let's enroll the fingerprint, and you can see which is very fast on both phones. And we are done with the setup on both phones, and the first impressions is looking really good on these devices. Let's go to the settings and about phone, and 128 GB internal storage out of 105 GB is available for you, and Android 9 right out the box, which is very good, and auto brightness sensor is also available with these phones, as well as a night shield in the software, and it is the color OS 6 and Oppo UI. I don't like Oppo UI, but it is a very smooth UI. You cannot notice any lagginess with day-to-day tasks as well as for gaming, because the Snapdragon 675 chip is really good for gaming as well as a day-to-day tasks. You don't notice any lagginess. Let's look at the camera, and both phones comes with a 4 cameras on the back, which is really amazing in this price range, and again 48 megapixel with the A9 2020 with the 12 megapixel with the A5 2020. Let's see the video recording size on both phones. Let's go to the video resolution, and both phones is record up to 4K, not 60 frames per second, but 4K is a really unique feature. And you can see, and the photo mode, let me show you the ultra wide on the A9 2020, and you can see, and here is the normal, and when you on the ultra wide, then the camera look like this. Both phones comes with a night mode, which is really good, and the portrait mode is available on both phones with the help of 2 megapixel depth sensor. Let's look at the front camera, and a 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel on the A5 2020. Let's go to the video section, and let's see the video resolution, and both phones is record up to full HD with 30 frames per second, which is very good. And overall I have to say both phones comes with 4 cameras on the back, which you don't see in this price range. And the back is, I am really like the design language on these phones. Let's talk about the battery life. Both phones comes with a 6.5-inch display with a 5000 mAh battery size. This phone at least give you a 2 days battery life without any problem, and 5V with 2 ampere charger that Oppo give you right out the box, which is very bad. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Oppo A9 2020 and Oppo A5 2020. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see about the Oppo A9 2020 and Oppo A5 2020. I gotta say both phones comes with a quad cameras, fingerprint scanner, as well as a 5000 mAh battery size, and the Snapdragon 665 processor is really good for gaming, and I definitely recommend this phone for gaming. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.